I'm going to show you how to shape and maintain your own eyebrows while you're in isolation. So if your eyebrows have started to become overgrown, this quick how-to will show you how to shape them and how not to take too many brow hairs during the process. So to do this, you're going to need some sort of measuring device like a makeup brush or a ruler or even a chopstick, a brow pencil of some description, and a pair of eyebrow tweezers. Use the measuring stick and run it vertically from the outside of your nose upwards to the edge of your eyebrow in a straight line. You should take eyebrow hairs that go in between your eyebrows from this point, and don't take them if they fall outside of this line. Then measure the outside corner of your brow by running the stick diagonally from the outside of your nose through your eye and then upwards on a V shape. So any hairs outside of those points and below them should be taken. Second step is to use an eyebrow pencil to clearly define the shape of your brow. This way, if you only take hairs that fall outside of that shape, you won't ruin the shape of your eyebrow. So for the purposes of this video, our model has drawn her eyebrows on very darkly and defined. She wouldn't normally fill them in this dark. This is just to show the clear shape that she wants them to be, and she'll be taking any hairs that fall outside of those lines. So using one hand to stretch the skin, tweeze the eyebrow hairs out the direction that they grow, taking them only from outside the shape that you have drawn.